We're going to start with the right hand, and we are going to start with a B with our thumb and a G with our pinky. We're going to grab our bottom and middle at the same time for press, and then go up to the top with our pinky for sure. And you're going to play that G 7 times. Pressure like a drip, 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 that'll never. And then on the second syllable, never, you're going to go down. You're basically going down by half and then a whole step, F sharp and then E. And then repeat that E and go down one more. All together. Pressure like a drip, 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 that'll never stop. Whoa. Second line, very similar. Pressure that'll tip, 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 till, and then we're going to go down with our thumb to E, U, and then come back up with our middle finger on G, and go up to the top. Just go pop. Whoa, oh, oh. So we're basically going down, but our two fingers on that F sharp on a black note. So repeating that second line, going through that one more time. Pressure that'll tip, 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 till you just go pop. Whoa, oh, oh. And we're right in position for our next line. A lot of bottoms and middles. Give it to your sister. Bottom, middle, 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 middle. Give it to your sister. And then on the second, your sister will go down. Your sister's older. Basically, we went middle to top and then went down one. Next line, we're going to do a lot of the same, but it's middle to bottom. Give her all, bottom one time, the back up to middle, heavy things. And then repeat that same ending. We can shoulder. Repeating the give it to your sister lines. Here we go. Give it to your sister's older. Give her all the heavy things we can shoulder. Now we're going to go into an inverted G chord. So we've got G with our pinky and B and D with our thumb and two fingers. And we're going to go top, middle, bottom. And then back up. And then we're going to go into a B major position, which is B, D sharp, and F sharp. Oh, and on our F sharp, top to middle, top. Let's do that. Who am I if I can't run with the ball? Nice and slow. G chord position, inverted, top, and then our 2 and 1. Who am I if I can run? And then bottom middle with a ball if I fall too. Second chorus is much the same. Here's where it's different. We're going to go a little bit higher. And now you've got your thumb on G, and we're going to go 5 fingers over 5 notes. And we're going to go top down to middle to then to bottom. So top, middle to bottom. And then it's going to end pretty much the same. And there we have the right hand. Left hand. We're going to do a lot of octave work, jumping from the bottom to the top. Our first set is E down to C and back up one. And it's going to go like this. Bottom, top with our first E. And then very quickly, we're going to play a D with our thumb and then a C bottom top. And back up to D. Let's do that line one more time. Nice and slow. Pressure like a drip, 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 that'll never stop. Whoa. We're back for our next line. We're back at E again. And we're going to go E to G, down to D. So, doing the full line, we're going to do our E twice. Now with the words. Pressure that'll tip, 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 till you just go pop. Whoa, oh, oh. We're going to move on to E, dropping down to C, dropping way low to G, and finishing at B. And we're going to do each of these twice. So remember that order is E, down a third to C, down a fourth to G, up a third to B, with the music. Give it to your sister's older. Give her all the heavy things we can shoulder. Who am I if I can run with the ball? If I fall too. All right, let's do that left hand chorus from start to finish. Starting on E. Pressure like a drip, 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 that'll never stop. Whoa. Pressure that'll tip, 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 till you just go pop. Whoa, oh, oh. Give it to your sister's older. Give her all the heavy things we can shoulder. Who am I if I can run with the ball? If I fall too. All right, for left hand, it helps for us to speak the words. Pressure like a drip, 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 that'll never stop. Whoa. So your left hand comes in on pressure like a drip, 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 that'll, both syllables of never, never stop. Left hand goes all by itself. And then on the second syllable of whoa, and the second line, pressure that'll tip, 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 till you just go pop. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. We're going to do those first two lines with the right hand and the left hand, so hands together, nice and slow. Pressure like a drip, 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 that'll never stop. Whoa. Pressure that'll tip, 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 till you just go pop. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Notice that's right together on that whoa, oh, oh. Moving on, the next syllables are give, sis, and old. Give it to your sister's older. Next line, give, heavy, we, shoulder. Give her all the heavy things we can shoulder. Next one, we're going to do who and then right after I. Who am I left? One more time. Who am I left? I and then run. If I can't run. And then on ball with a ball. Right after ball finishes, left hand comes in. And then if together. If I fall, left hand comes right in between fall and to. So backing it up to who am I? Who am I? Left all by itself. If I can't run with a. Here comes B on ball. Ball, left by itself. If I fall in between two. Let's do that a whole section. Pressure like a drip, 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 that'll never stop. Whoa. Pressure that'll tip, 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 till you just go pop. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Give it to your sister's older.